Gravity, is it good for your bones? Who invented rock? Beatles or the Stones? For AIDS or cancer, is there any remedy? Bin Laden still alive? Who killed John Kennedy? Is Bigfoot real? Do vampires bite? The end of the world is gonna start tonight. Has NASA been lying about a trip to the moon? Boom shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Boom shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Boom shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom. Boom shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom, boom boom. Shakalaka boom, shakalaka boom.
It's undestroyable. This is innovative 3-layer sandwich technology.
being outside in the sunshine, being on the water in a motorboat. We all love it. But can we do that in a more eco-friendly way? Well, now we can, but before we show you that, I want to take you somewhere else. This is my first time in a boat manufacturing facility, and this is Roto, where these boats are actually made. And right now we're going to look at the mould of where it actually comes out of, and one is in there right now. The first layer of polyethylene goes in, then the second layer, which is the polyethylene foam, and thirdly, the third and final layer of polyethylene. This is what makes these boats at Roto unique. 3-layer maximum strength. This is a single layer like most boats, very flimsy, not very good, but lots of strength here with the 3 layers. Yes! Let's look in a bit more detail down here at the keel. You can see with the 3 layers, it's obviously a lot thicker and of course, a lot stronger. So the text and the information says it's indestructible, but it's okay saying that. What about actually finding out? They've told me I can hit this thing. Here we go. Wow. Okay, so far, one more. Here we go. Come on. Here we go. Woo! That's my workout done for the day. So I really have just hit this with everything I've got. And you can see, no damage. So the Roto 450 is ready. Let's go to the lake and check it out. So we are back on the lake at Expano, and we have a selection here of the Roto motorboats. So let's get inside and take a look. We're here with the Roto 450. This is the central console single jockey, beautiful machine. How is it powered? Well, it's got 6 kilowatts of power with this battery. Let's have a look. Over 4 hours, maybe 5 hours of use. This is nice. I could spend a few hours like this all afternoon, but let's go and take it for a spin. This hull is made in one piece. It's 4.5 meters long, just gliding over this glassy lake. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's a great sitting position for cruising along, a nice shield in front of me. But if you want to do, if you've got some waves coming or if you're approaching the dock, you can easily stand up. The seat's profile, can you see here how it's molded to the shape? The back of your thighs, sturdy handle here to hold on to. The first thing I noticed about these electric motorboats is just how quiet they are and smooth. Watch, I'm gonna hit the throttle, gently start to accelerate. So quiet, so smooth. Watch the acceleration. It's really fast, it's stable, and it's easy to handle. It's unsinkable even if the cockpit is full of water. It's safe, it's strong, it's durable, and it will last forever. Let's have a look at some of the additional features you can have on your motorboat. The targa here, great, sturdy, stainless, perfect for water skiing. The stainless steel ladder for easy access into and out of the water. And the Bimini canopy, perfect for those summer afternoons. And a full selection of cushions and pillows to keep you comfortable. This is the 450 XR, 2 jockey seat, plenty of room at the front, and 12 kilowatt engine, twice as powerful. It really is an undestroyable boat with normal use, perfect for rental, for boat beginners and also for advanced boaters. We've seen the single version, we've seen the double version. Let's have a look at the family version with the side console. All the custom-made cushions as well for taking your family out for an afternoon cruise on the waves. Welcome to a little look at some of the selection of the Roto motorboat fleet.